Hello friends, welcome to Synapse video tutorials. In previous videos I have covered introduction to Synapse and types of distribution and hash distribution as well. In this video we are going to create round robin distribution. If you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. You will get latest updates from my channel. Thank you very much. Let's understand round robin distribution. So whenever you are creating a table and storing data in Synapse, the default distribution will be round robin. When you will use this table mean, if you have a temporary table or staging tables, you can go with round robin. Let's create a table. So earlier we created hash distribution, right? So if you're not specifying anything, just I'm creating a table. Just I'm going to create a new table. Okay. Round robin. So just without distribution type, if I run this script, what will happen? By default, Synapse can understand and create a table type as round robin. Let's verify this. So table has been created and you can verify the script. You can go to script, open a new tab. It's generating script. So by default, when you are creating a table in Synapse, it will create as round robin distribution. Other than round robin, if you are looking for any other like replicate or hash, you can specify. So if you look at this, default it's created round robin distribution, and default index it's created clustered column store index. Okay, so when you are choosing round robin, you no need to specify any column, just go with the round robin. Only for hash distribution we need to specify column. For round robin algorithm based on your data, it will split and process the data. So how it will split and process the data into 60 distributions means based on default algorithm. So default algorithm means based on round robin algorithm, your data, whatever you have a data. So for example, I have some customer table. So this is your Synapse Warehouse. It's having a 60 distributions, distribution 1, distribution 2, distribution 3, like this. Okay. So what will happen when you are choosing this? When you are choosing round robin. So I have a customer's data, or maybe any staging table we can go with the round robin. Any staging table we can go with the round robin. So I have a customers 1, 2, 3, like this till I have it 100k customers. So what will happen? It will distribute that into 60 distributions. 1, 2, 3, 4, like this, 60 distributions. You have a 60th distribution, 60th, then 61, 62, like this. So this way it will distribute the data. That is called round robin. So round robin, based on round robin algorithm, it will distribute the data. So you will have a 60 distributions and it will distribute the data. And when we will use this round robin, so if you have a huge data, but if you are using for temporary process, so better to go with round robin distribution. And there is another distribution called broadcast. So broadcast is nothing but replicate. So replicate distribution we will go with small tables, that we will cover in another video. So this way we can go with creating round robin. So if you not specify anything, by default it's create round robin distribution. Default distribution type it is round robin. Primarily when we will choose for staging tables, staging or temporary tables. So any ETL project we will have a staging tables. So that staging table you can choose round robin distribution, and you will get a better performance. So thank you watching my videos. If you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.